Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is honor for me this Protection International Conference. Now I am Asriani SAMM. Would like to extend it a warm welcome to all of you. Today I will be discussing the influencer of financial literacy and financial management of UMKM in Palopo City. Introduction. Micro, small and medium enterprise UMKM are a sector that play a very important role in the Indonesian economy. As one of the main players in creating jobs and improving people's welfare, UMKM in Indonesia make a significant contribution to gross to domestic product and bolster most of the national workforce. According to that from the Central Statistic Against in UMKM were record of contributing of the total national workforce with the number of business units leasing units. One of the factors that affect the survival of UMKM is good financial management. Efficient and accountable financial management allows UMKM to make strategic decisions that can improve the sustainability of the business. However, the low level of financial literacy is a major obstacle in efforts to manage financial optimal. In the Palopo City, especially in Wara Timur district, the rapidly growing UMKM sector has with similar obstacles. Although UMKM in this all contribute of the total business in Palopo in play a major role in overseeing labor. Many business actors for difficult in management their literature review. Financial literacy in the knowledge need to manage personal financial finance result in improve well in the future. Financial literacy includes the ability to read, analyze, management, and community financial conditions that affect a person's daily life, as well as making the right decision in financial management. The financial service author explained that financial literacy aims to educate the Indonesian people to manage their financial intelligence. Financial literacy involves an understanding of financial product and service, as well as the ability to make the right financial decision by considering the risk involved. Vidovicarpo cited the actions of Rambonas and Wijayanka, stating that financial literacy is an understanding of financial competence and the ability to make the right decision regarding financial risk management. Financial management is a process that includes planning, implementing, reporting, and monitoring, assisting financial research to active current goals. Then defines finance management as all activity related to the actions, funding, and management of assets to active the overall goals of the organization. Financial management involves discussion regarding investment, funding, and effective of research to support the sustainability and growth of the organization. The financial management vocation is very important for organizations to ensure that financial goals can be achieved. According to FEHMI, financial management vocation to plan, analysis, and control company financials. Problem statement. UMKM play a very important role in the Indonesia economy, but most UMKM face major challenges in effective financial management. One of the main problems faced by UMKM is the low level of financial literacy, which has an impact on their difficult and planning and managing financial resource efficient. This has hinders their ability to make the right financial decision, which in turn affect the performance and sustainability of their business. In Palopo City, especially in Warak Timur, there is main UMKM face mail obstacle of took this sector play an important role in the overseeing labor and contributing to the local economy. Low knowledge of good financial management leads the optimal decision making and hinder to grow of UMKM in this area. Therefore, this study aims to answer the main problem, namely how does financial literacy affect the financial management of UMKM in Palopo City, especially in Warak Timur district. Methodology. This research was conducted in micro, small, medium enterprise UMKM in Palopo City. The research period is estimated to be 2 months strength from the end of June to beginning of August. The type of data used in this study is quantitative data. The data obtained is in the form of number that can be counted. This data is obtained from questionnaire calculating related in the problem discussion in this research. The data source used in this study is primary data. Data obtained by collecting directly from the research object, namely by directly distributing questionnaire to selection respondent. The sample is a small part of population. The sample this study was taken for micro, small, and medium enterprise. in Palopo City due to limited time and fund used in this study. The sample size was determined through several criteria. To obtain data is this in the technique used is the distribution of questionnaire. Questionnaire are data collection technique carried out by collection annual from response to stroke of question of statement that are done with written form. Financial literacy is knowledge, skill, and belief that influence attitudes and behavior to improve the quality of discussion making and financial management in order to achieve prosperity. Result and discussion. The influence in financial literacy on financial management based on the results of data testing and analysis that have been carried out using SPSS that processing. The next step will be to discussion the results on the data analysis on how the financial literacy variables as influence the financial management variable. From the research of hypothesis testing use simple linear regression analysis, namely which can be interpreted that the plus sides indicate indirectional relationship where an increase of direct in the financial literacy variable will result in an increase or the result in the financial management variable. The research of processing the confusion of determination data so the financial literacy has an effect on financial management influenced by other factors that are not discussion of include is in this study. Sekarang next conclusion based on the research and discussion that has been done, it can be conclude that the research of the hypothesis using simple linear regression analysis test on the financial literacy variable have a positive and significant influence on financial management, which means that the better the level of financial literacy in UMKM actors, the better the financial management is carried out and vice versa. Good financial will improve financial management skill to be better for UMKM actor in Palopo City. Thank you all for your attention and for being such an active audience. I am grateful for the opportunity to present my research and to be part of this incredible gathering of scholars and professionals. I hope the ideas and insights shared today will inspire further discussion and collaboration. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.